This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing. Plug the case in or confirm both earbuds show charge because low battery can block mode changes. Open the Number app now and grant Bluetooth access. This app exposes gaming mode settings. Once done, put earbuds into pairing or app mode, usually by holding the touch sensor for 3-5 seconds, and connect from your phone or PC. This direct connection lets the app push low-latency firmware and reveal the gaming toggle you'll enable next. Now enable the gaming mode inside the Number app or via the earbuds touch controls. Tap and hold or double tap sequences vary by model, so follow the on-screen prompt. After toggling, pick the low-latency codec. The app offers aptX low latency or similar, because codec choice directly reduces delay. Once enabled, make sure your game or source uses a single audio output and close background apps. This minimizes packet contention and stabilizes the low-latency connection while you test audio/video sync. Finish by testing in a latency-sensitive scenario, a fast-action game or short video clip, and watch for lip sync or hit detection delay. If audio still lags, reduce distance, disable other nearby Bluetooth devices, and use the app's equalizer or volume leveling to fine-tune balance. Make sure to lock your phone or PC orientation and avoid power-saving modes. If problems persist, force restart the earbuds and repair. That clears stale profiles and often restores proper gaming mode.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.